If you are anything like me, you are incredibly busy right now between business and, believe it or not, back to school for the kids here in Georgia is just a few days away. So it has been really hard to stay consistent, which is what our theme of our August newsletter is: consistency on social media. It's really, really common for your social media efforts to fall through the cracks when you are so busy with life. So, we are going to give you everything you need to know and tons of ideas so that you can stay consistent throughout August, even with everything going on. Staying consistent is going to set you apart from your competition and ensure that people are seeing your content. Remember that this video only shares the highlights, so you want to make sure that you download the tips and tricks so that you can ensure that you are staying consistent with your social media in August. We make it super, super easy for you. Let's get into it. I don't think people understand how easy it is to boost engagement with just a few minutes each day. Let's unravel the secret with the Stay in Flow Challenge. Every day, share a curated question of the day poll or a fun, interactive quiz on your social media stories. Simple questions like, what's your dream home feature? Or which local market trend are you excited about? Can spark genuine conversations. Encourage your followers to share their answers and tag your account. By consistently posting these interactive and behind-the-scenes questions, you'll foster deeper connections and keep your brand top of mind. Remember, it's not about creating more content, but about engaging smarter. Moving on to suggestions to share. To help you stay consistent this month, we've got you covered with 5 ideas to keep your social media game strong. First up, client appreciation posts. Take a moment to celebrate your clients by highlighting them in appreciation posts. Share their journey to finding the perfect home and how you helped make their dreams a reality. Not only does this humanize your brand, but it also shows potential clients that you truly care. Next, let's talk about back to school home organization tips. As families gear up for the new school year, share your expert advice on organizing homes. Offer ideas like creating homework stations, organizing entryways, and setting up family calendars to keep everyone on track. Trust me, parents will thank you for these lifesavers. Third on the list, DIY home improvement projects. Everyone loves a good DIY, right? Share some fun and easy projects to complete before summer ends. Think outdoor projects like building a fire pit, creating a garden path, or setting up a backyard movie screen. These posts are great for engagement and keep your audience inspired and motivated. Now, here's a valuable one: end of summer home maintenance checklist. Provide a checklist for homeowners to tackle those essential end of summer maintenance tasks. Include tips for checking air conditioning systems, cleaning pools, inspecting roofs, and preparing gardens for fall. Your audience will appreciate your help in keeping their homes in top shape. And finally, rounding out our top 5. Home maintenance tips for fall preparation. Share tips on how homeowners can get ready for the upcoming fall season. Cover topics like checking heating systems, cleaning gutters, and fall landscaping ideas. This is a great way to position yourself as a knowledgeable and helpful resource. And finally, social media holidays. Flow will post Women's Equality Day on Monday, August 26th for you. But there is a whole new batch of social media holidays to celebrate that you can post yourself. Here are just a few, but make sure to check out the entire tips and tricks document for all of them. First up, we've got International Beer Day on Friday, August 2nd. This is the perfect excuse to grab a cold one and showcase your favorite local brewery. How about taking a tour? Show your followers a behind-the-scenes look at the brewing process. Capture those hop-filled vats, the mesmerizing bottling lines, and don't forget to film the tasting session. It's all about bringing that experience to life. And hey, this is prime content for an Instagram reel. Next, mark your calendars for Monday, August 26th. It's National Dog Day. This one's for all the dog lovers out there. Share a photo or a short video of a day in the life with your furry friend. Show off those funny moments, their best tricks, and of course, those irresistible cuddle sessions. Trust me, your followers will eat this content up. Last, but definitely not least, we've got National Beach Day on Wednesday, August 30th. This is your chance to showcase your favorite beach vacation spot. Highlight the crystal clear waters, the golden sands, and those breathtaking sunsets. Don't forget to share the essential items you can't leave home without. Think sunblock, a good book, and maybe even a stylish beach hat.
And those are our highlights for August. Remember to download the actual document, print it out, keep it handy. There's tons of great information in there, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you get different tips and tricks throughout the month, and that will really help you as you continue to post on social media. We are also going to be ensuring that we give updates, because there are always things going on in the world of social media, especially with platform changes. So download the tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel, and let us know if you have any questions. Happy posting!